John Dalton then came around in the early 1800s and laid the groundwork for atomic theory. In it, he states 4 rules. 1. Today we're delving into Unit 2.1 of the first half of General Chemistry, which goes over atomic matter. At some point in your life, you've probably heard of the word atom before. One of the most popular uses of it is in atomic bomb, but where did the word originate? Approximately 2,500 years ago, Greek philosophers thought that matter in our world was composed of tiny Atomos, which translated means indivisible particles. However, this theory was replaced by Plato's and Aristotle's theories, which stated that there were no indivisible particles, that all matter could be divided into smaller bits. There was soon to be a reemergence of this atomic theory in the 1600s when alchemists and chemists learned that they could measure amounts of specific elements by reacting them to form compounds. John Dalton then came around in the early 1800s and laid the groundwork for atomic theory. In it, he states 4 rules. 1. Every element is comprised of tiny subunits called atoms. 2. Every atom of a specific element is the same, but atoms of different elements are different. 3. You cannot change atoms of a specific element into atoms of different element by chemical changes, and those atoms are not created or destroyed in chemical reactions as well. 4. Atoms can combine to form compounds, and these compounds have the same relative number and types of atoms. Some problems to think about regarding this information are as follows. Which rule is most like the law of conservation of mass? You burn 4.0 moles of hydrogen and 2.0 moles of oxygen to form water, H2O. How many moles of water did you create? What rule does the previous question highlight? Thank you so much for spending your valuable time learning and bettering yourself. If you like the video and want to learn more, donate, or get tutoring, please check out my website, nocollegeneeded.org. You can use the code NCN for 20% off tutoring and any supplemental materials. If the subject isn't up yet, please be patient. I'm working on bringing them up as soon as I can.